In this video, we are going to see about SQL functions, string functions, mathematical functions, and date and time functions. We are going to see detail with examples. So first, mathematical functions. See, plus operators used for perform additions. So select 5 plus 3 means it shows the answer 8, and likewise 8 minus 5, it will give the answer 3. Now, alias name we can use using the keyword as subtraction. So heading is changed to subtraction. And for multiplication, we have to use a star asterisk symbol. For division forward slash, we have to do that. It will give the quotient 12 by 5. So quotient is given by the forward slash operators. Want to get the remainder of between two numbers, we should use the percentage symbol or mod function we should use to get the remainder. See, the mod functions mod we can use first in between the number, otherwise another one method we can pass the numbers in the mod function also. Select 5 mod 2 as remainder also, 5 divided by 2 and get the remainder, and select mod 11 comma 4 is also 11 divided by 4 and get the remainder 3. And power functions is return the power value of x to the power of y, and square root functions return the square root of the given value. Say example, power of 5 comma 2 means base value is 5 and power value is 2, so 5 into 5, 25 is written, and square root of 144 is 12, that is displayed. See, in a power, if we are passing the base value is minus, then answer will come in that negative number. 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 is 4, 4 is 8, it will come in that minus. And round functions surround the nearest integer value. If you round s comma t, 2 value if you are passing means, it will round the value of x to the t decimal places. See here, round 1.43 then means it will round into 1, because decimal point next the value is 4, it is below 5, so we skip the value and round it 1. And next 6.298 comma 1, so point next one digit should come, so it will check the second place after the decimal point. It will check the second place is the value is 9, it is above 5, so the 1 is added with the 2, so 6.3 is the answer. And next round of negative value minus 1.58 are given. Here point next to 5 is given, so increase to 1 to the 1, so minus 1 minus 1, answer is minus 2. And next 645.298 comma minus 2 is given, minus 2. See, minus 2 means completely we have to skip that fraction part. Only we have to concentrate on that whole number part, real part, 645 only. In that you have to see the tens place, because comma minus 2 is given, so you have to see that tens place, and the one place is tens place is below 5, because number is 4, 6, 4, 5. Tens place value is 4, it is below 5, so filled with 0. 4, 5 place filled with 0, so answer is 600. truncate is to truncate the argument x to d decimal places. See, what's the difference between round and truncate? Means round, if it is that value 5 or above 5 means it's add 1 with the previous value, but present value, but truncate will not add 1. It will not, just skip the value. See example 4.567 comma 0 means simply skip that uh, decimal point next to following digits will be skipped. Just 4 is printed. And 7.543 comma 1 decimal place is mentioned. So 1 decimal place alone it will come. 43 is skipped. So 7.5 is answered. And it's 342 comma minus 2 is given. So minus 2 means ones and tens place just filled with 0. Minus 3 given means all the values filled with 0. So minus 76.56 comma 1. So one value should come. So answer is 76.5. Positive 1 means so point next to one digit should come. So 76.5. And sign function return that sign of the given numbers. If number is negative means it will return that minus 1. If the passing number is positive, then it return the positive 1. If you are passing number 0, it returns 0. See the example, sign of minus 45. So minus 45. 45 is a negative number, so it return minus 1. Here 5, sign of 5. 5 is a positive number, so return positive 1. Sign of 0 is given, so return the 0. Even 0 before a minus or plus any symbol comes, answer is 0 only. So 0 is, sign of 0 is 0. A string function is SQL. So char functions return that character of the given value, and ASCII functions return the ASCII value for the given letter. See the example, char of 74, 101, 115, 117, 115. 115 is given. So this value corresponding letter is printed Jesus. See the small letters in ASCII values start with 97 and capital letter A ASCII value is 65. So according to that the corresponding letter is printed according to the ASCII value. Now select ASCII of J. So I return the ASCII value. Capital J ASCII value is 74. And concatenate means it's combine the two strings. General format for concat is concat of column 1, column 2, etc. See here student table and concatenate roll number with the name. So the two column data are combined. And we can use the string also instead of table column name. Concat class comma null comma again another one string 11th is given. So because of the null, okay, everything is considers a null value. And next one example MySQL. So now all the string is combined and it display MySQL. Next lowercase means it will change into that capital change into that small letter. So we can use the L case or lower of that column name or string name, we can use it. See the student table. So lower of name is all the name. See here Manisa is M capital letter, that also change into small letter. See select L case, we can use lower or L case. So L case of Jansurani.p, it will be changed into the small is letter of. And uppercase or upper or U cases, change the smallest letter to the capital letter. It's a general format. See student table, I have given that upper of name. So all the name columns data change into capital letter small to capital. String also we can use it. Here U case I pass a string as a capital letter. So as a result, as usual, the capital letter has come. And substring means is return the part of the string in the given strings. So column name is the name of the column, or you can give the string. And M is specify the starting index from which position onwards you want to fetch the string, that is the starting position. And N means number of characters from the starting position you have to fetch. Say example, that student table, I'm going to fetch that name comma 2. So from the names column we are going to extract the string, and starting position is 2. See here, first position 101, roll number name Raju. The first position is R, second position A. So second position A onwards is printed. Likewise, other names also fetched. Next, if you are giving 2 comma 3, name 2 comma 3 means starting position 2, from that only 3 character, number of character 3 only is fetched. See here, substring of name comma 2, here name start position 2 and remaining all the character is fetched, because we don't specify the how many character you want to fetch from the starting position. But here name 2 comma 3 means, so 2 is the starting position and 3 is the number of characters from the starting position we have to fetch. So only 3 characters is or is fetched. And then string also we can use. It's a substring of Jasmine comma 4. So from the fourth place onwards, remaining all the letter source extracted from the Jasmine string. Next we are giving information 3 comma 4. That means from the third position onwards, the number of letters we have to fetch 4. So third place F letter is there. From that F O or M, number of letters 4 are extracted. And if you are giving that minus 4 comma 3 means from the last. So here first means I, second 2, likewise it go. In case of minus 1 means from the last onwards we have to take n values are minus 1, o values minus 2, and I values minus 3, and t value minus 4, likewise it will go. So from that minus 4 means now t, from that we have to fetch the 3 characters. So TIO is the answer. See, we can tell like that information instead of comma we can use the from function also we can use it. Information from 4, that means fourth character onwards we have to fetch that string. And next from information from minus 4, so backward. And for 2 means it's a how many character you want to fetch. So from 4 onwards, okay, minus 4th place t is there, and minus 3 places I. So 2 characters are extracted from the information string. And L tree means is remove the spaces from the left side, or means remove that space from the right side of the strings, and trim means remove that both sides spaces. See, L trims the left side space is there class before it is removed, and R trim class 11th next here this side is that space that is removed. You can notice the output screen. Trim means both side the spaces are removed. And length function is to find the length of the string or table column name. See here, length of Jesus loves you. So it's the letters also counted, and spaces between the words also counted and displayed 15. In student table, I counted that name column. So how many letters present in that name, it's counted and displayed. And left means left functions return the leftmost characters will be fetched according to the specified number. So general format left the column name, or you can give string. Comma size means how many character you want to take it out from the leftmost side. See here that student table, I'm going to give the left name comma 3. So from the left side, so 3 characters are fetched. So Raj, Ron. So only the 3 characters fetched from the leftmost characters. And string I used signs. From that I'm take it 6 letters. So except E, remaining letters taken, that is counted as 6. Right functions, it takes the characters from the right side, from the rightmost side. That's general form. Right column name, or you can use string and comma size. Size is the how many character you want to take it out from the rightmost. See here that right name comma 3 is given. So from the right side, the 3 letters are fetched from the name column. Here a sign string, we are fetching the rightmost 3 characters. So from the rightmost NCA or fetched. And main functions similar like substring functions. So name column name can mid of column name or string name, and M is the starting position and is the number of characters to be fetched. Example ice cream 2 comma 3. So start from 2 and fetching that number of characters 3. So IC is the answer. And in str function is used to find the occurrence of the string. See in str column name or string comma s1. So the s1 is to be searched in the given column name or string and return its position. See here in str strawberry ice cream, as I have given, ice is the searched word. See here ice is occurred in 2 places, but it's a first occurrence place only it returned. So strawberry next to ice is there, that position is 12, that's only is printed. And T, if I search a single letter T in the strawberry ice cream ice, so T is in the second position, so it's printed 2. And then column name I used from the student table, name column. So A letter where it is occurred, according to that the position is printed. Raju, A is in second position, and Rani also A in a second position, number 2 is printed. And in Ajay name A is the first letter, so it's printed as 1. And Joe there is no A letter, so it written 0. And Manisha there are 2 A, but first occurrence position only displayed 2. And of course Ajay A is the first place, so 1 is printed. And state and time functions, so current date display that current date functions, general format to current date. Now also return the current date and time, it's a general format now. And system date also is return the current date, but it returns the time at which system date is executed. A general format is date. So example for current date only showing that date, and now show date with the time, and sister date also show with that date and time in which the system date function is executed, that time it will be displayed. And date functions is used to extract the date part from the date, and month is we can it return the month what date we are passing from that. Year it return the year. See here select date of the date is given, so from that the date alone it is extracted, and month so the date format is year, month, day. So month is 8, that is display, and next in that year, the year 2020 is extracted from the given date. Likewise in student table also we can use it. I am taking the month of date of birth, so that from the date of birth column just extracted the month alone, so month is display. And date and time functions, day name is written the name of the weekdays, and day of month is written that day of the month range 1 to 31, and day of week written that it's a week, it's index value. See day name that written that 13th is today Thursday, and day of month is written that month. In this month is the 13th day, and in the week is the 5th week, so it's written. And day of year means written the day of years from the between 1 and 36. See here 2028 month and 13 day, but answer is 226. How it's calculated means from January month onwards, each month days are calculated till that 8th month 13th. So we got answer 226. See here next example also 2020 to 13. So January month is 31 days, and February month is 13 days. So added together 31 plus 13 is 44. Thank you. Thank you.